Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Enid and today I'm going to show you how to make nice yummy vermicelli recipe. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Now firstly, to start with, I have taken vermicelli over here, that is of the company Bake Parlour. Now this is 150 gram, so I'm going to use half of this. So for the next step, we are going to keep a pan on the gas stove. We are going to add little ghee into it. So here I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now into this I'm going to add 2 cardamom. See that you open them up and then add them. We are going to mix them a little bit in the ghee so that the flavor of the cardamom is well mixed in the ghee. Now once you start to get nice aroma of this cardamom in your ghee, we are going to add the vermicelli into it. We are going to roast these well in the ghee here. See that you keep the gas on a low flame here or else your vermicelli will get burnt. If at any point of time you feel you cannot control and you feel that the vermicelli are getting burnt, you can turn off your gas stove and stir them well. See that they are well coated in the ghee. Some people like to break them very fine before they add them. So if you are one of them, you can do so. You can break them into pieces and then you can add the vermicelli into the pan to roast them. I prefer keeping them long as they look very good once they are done. They are done, friends. At this point of time, you know they have been well roasted. We are going to remove it out in a plate and keep aside. Now in the same pan, what we are going to do is, I have taken 3/4 small cup of milk and water mixture. That is, I have added half milk, half water, and I have made it 3/4 cup of liquid over here, which we are going to add into it. If you want, you can add less or more. I prefer adding less first because if you want, you can add later more. We are going to add sugar. Now remember friends, here you will need to add more sugar than usual. So here I have added 3 tablespoons full of sugar. And I'm also going to add a pinch of salt. We are going to allow a boil to come now. Mix it well. I'm also going to add some cashew nuts and raisins. So if you don't have, you can skip this step. Mix all this well, and once you see that the boil has come for the milk, we are going to add the vermicelli back into it. Mix this well in the liquid mixture. If you want, you can add more milk or water into it. So they should mix well in the liquid. They need to get nice and soft, and the liquid needs to be dried up completely. So I've already started getting lovely aroma, friends, and you guys must try this because it tastes very yummy. I mostly have it during the evening tea. You guys can have it for your breakfast as well. Try this recipe out and do also let me know how well it turned out and how nice you liked it as well. At this point of time, if your vermicelli has not yet cooked, if it is still crispy, you need to add more milk. Keep mixing them till everything is nicely mixed up. You need to keep on stirring it so that it doesn't get burnt. And it's done, friends. You can see it has soaked in all the water and the milk. So it's all ready to be served. Turn off your gas stove and you can serve it now. So there you go everyone, our vermicelli is all ready to be served hot. I really hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and I really hope you all are going to really do try it for breakfast or evening tea, and do let me know in the comment section how well you liked it. Till then, I'm going to catch you next Sunday with yet another recipe. Till then, stay safe, stay indoors, stay healthy. Bye bye.